Ma'am, are you okay? You have a license, registration, proof of insurance? Can you tell me a little bit what's happening?
Welcome to USAA. Your call will be monitored or recorded for verification, authentication, and quality assurance. To reach an extension, press the pound key.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Please enter your USAA.
I'm Deputy Pitt with the Flagg County Sheriff's Office. It seems like you got involved with a little fender bender here. Are you okay? Can you at least tell me your name?
To reach an extension.
Alright, ma'am, can you talk to me real quick? Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance? I don't know. I've been trying for like 4 minutes now to have her talk to me. She's not talking to me.
She doesn't speak at all?
Well, she's on the phone with clearly somebody trying to call out of work. I'm trying to get her attention, talk to me. The only thing I just did right now is put a plate in the car. In the call. I'm trying to get her attention, ma'am.
No! Can you get back on the phone? Can you talk to my car, please? And tell me how to get to work?
I don't know if she's in shock or anything like that. I can't determine that yet.
Ma'am. Hello? Do you have your driver's license and stuff? You crashed your car into a building. We need to see your driver's license and talk to you. Can you hang up the phone, please? Okay, hang up the phone with the car. We need to talk to you.
I gotta call Mr.
Ma'am?
I gotta go to work.
Okay.
So we'll worry about that
You
later.
can step out of the car for us. Come on out.
I'm serious. Let me call my boss really quick. I think he's
Well, let's get this taken care of first, and then we'll call whoever you need to call. Okay? Do you know where you're at right now?
No.
You say you don't know where you're at?
Why am I traveling?
You said what? Do you need an ambulance to come check you out? Are you hurt in any way?
Are you okay?
Say it again. Did you guys see what happened?
She was like that when I pulled in this morning.
Okay. So just like you facing just like that?
Yeah, just like that when I pulled in this morning.
Okay.
At 7.
Donna's about to get physically removed from the vehicle and taken to jail for obstruction, unless she starts cooperating. I don't know what's humorous about that.
I got Matt to come and check her out just in case, because I don't know if it's.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gathering. You're trying to get to work. You're trying to call out of work and stuff like that. But what led you here? We're just trying to help you out. That's all we're trying to do. We're trying to figure out the best way we could help you. Get your car at least towed to where you needed to go. I know it's kind of frustrating. All you want to do is help you out and identify you, okay?
Give me my damn keys so I can go home.
That's not going to happen right now. We're investigating a crash right now.
Can I have my keys to my car?
We're trying to figure out to help you out, so.
What's going on today, dear? You hurt? Can you put that phone down and interact with us? Who, the cop? And the keys? Well, you get your keys when you start answering some questions. We need to figure out what's going on. You just crashed into this? You want to walk home?
Yeah, give me my fucking keys.
Where do you live? Well, it's easier if you just interact with us and kind of communicate, and then we can get. Do you have any medical history? Okay. Do you need any medical attention right now? No? Are you diabetic?
You want to see if she'll let us check her sugar?
Will you let us check your sugar?
No.
No?
Check my keys.
Okay. Can you just answer some simple questions for us? So that way we know that you can refuse medical attention? Mariah, do you know where you are right now? Are you just choosing not to answer me?
We've given her numerous opportunities to give us her driver's license, registration, insurance card to identify herself or answer any questions about how she got here, where she lives, where she was going. All she does is giggle, smoke, scroll the internet. Miss Mariah, do you have your driver's license? Alright, Miss Mariah, I'm gonna have you step out the car for me, okay? Miss Mariah, I'm gonna have you step out the car for me, okay?
Can you step out of the car?
Ma'am, I'm gonna have you step out of the car. Come out of the car. Ma'am, I'm gonna have you get out of the car for me, okay? Stop. Step out of the car.
No, we ain't gonna do that. Come on.
Step out of the car. Face away from me.
Drop that. Drop that. You see she's trying to burn you, man?
I don't. Stop. Stop resisting, Mariah. I didn't have her hands, so. Spit out whatever's in your mouth, Mariah. Spit out what's in your mouth. I'm not gonna stick my fingers in there. Spit out the cigarette in your mouth, Mariah.
Want to spit out what's in your mouth, Mariah? Want to spit out what's in your mouth, Mariah? You got a whole cigarette in your mouth, Mariah. You want to spit that out? Please? Right here. Nope, right here. Have a seat. Sit down, please. Trying to have her seat sit in the car, so it's confusing. Alright, can you have a seat in the car, please?
Excuse me. Mariah? Mariah? I'm here to let you know that my name's Deputy Magnuson, and I'm moving from a traffic crash into an investigation for driving under the influence. At this point, I'm going to read you your rights. Do you understand these rights? Ma'am? With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me? Mariah, is that a no? At this point, anything besides you telling me a yes, I'm going to consider a no. Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises? Mariah? Okay.
Off for discussion.
Are you getting on TikTok or what are we gonna do? Cause I can't just ride around and not eat nothing and be hungry, throwing up cigarettes and all this bullshit.
No, you're under arrest.
That's an extra charge. That's battery.
What I'm raping your car. I'm looking at your car. Don't touch me. You're stupid. Your stupid car, your gadget car. I gotta lock my car up. What about when I come to your house and knock on your bed and wrap your body up in your nose and bite your fucking face off? Then what? What are you gonna look for then? Huh? After I bite your fucking nose off and eat your fucking nose, because what the fuck are you looking at? Clean your car. I'm not cleaning that. Clean your car. Ooh, can I get some of that?
Correction, 1051.
Look at the car. Poor fucking car. Let's see how you drive. You fucking stupid. You can't even fucking drive.
She was arrested and charged with driving under the influence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer without violence. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.